Friends, welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss some question on quadratic equation. The first question states, find the numerical difference of the roots of the equation x square minus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. So the given quadratic equation is x square minus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. On comparing the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equals to 0, we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to minus 18. Now we know the roots of a quadratic equation is given by x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So putting the values of a, b and c in the respective places, we get x equals to minus of minus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 18 whole divided by 2, or it is nothing but 7 plus minus 49 plus 72 square root whole divided by 2, which is nothing but 7 plus minus 11 by 2. That means x equals to minus 2 or 9, because if we take 7 minus 11, it is 7 minus 11 is 4 minus 4 by 2 minus 2, and if we take the positive sign, 7 plus 11 is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. So we got two roots, 9 and 2 minus 2. Now the difference of the roots is 9 minus minus 2, which is nothing but 11. Hence the required answer is 11. Find the least positive value of k for which x square plus kx plus 16 equals to 0 has real roots. Here the given quadratic equation is x square plus kx plus 16 equals to 0. So comparing the given equation with the standard form, we get a equals to 1, b equals to k and c equals to 16. Now we know for roots to be real, d must be greater than or equals to 0. But what is d? D is nothing but b square minus 4ac whole root over. So we can say b square minus 4ac should be greater than equals to 0. Or we can write b square should be greater than equals to 4ac. Now putting the value of b and ac, we can write b is nothing but k. So k square must be greater than equal to 4 into 1 into 16, which is nothing but k square must be greater than equals to 64. Or taking the square root on both the sides, k square must be greater than equals to 8. Thus, the least positive value of k is 8, is the answer. Find the value of x if x equals to square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus continues up to infinity, and x is a real number. So the given quadratic equation is, the given equation is x equals to square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 continues up to infinity. So we can write it as x equal to square root of 5 plus x, because x is square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 up to infinity. We don't know how many 5 is there. So if we omit any one, again it is from the second one, it is also x. That's why x can be written as x equals to square root of 5 plus x. Now squaring on both the sides, it is x square equals to 5 plus x, or x square minus x minus 5 equals to 0. Now on comparing the given equation with the standard form, we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 5. We know the roots of a quadratic equation is given by x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So putting the values of b, a and c, we get x equals to minus of minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5 whole root over whole divided by 2a, or it is nothing but 1 plus minus square root of 21 by 2. But it is already given x is a real number. So 1 minus square root of 21 cannot be a real number. So we have to take only the positive factor. Since x is a real number, 1x equals to 1 plus square root of 21 by 2. Thus, Value of x is 1 plus square root of 21 by 2. At t minute past 2 p.m., the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4. Find t. We know the time between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. is nothing but 1 hour, that means 60 minutes. But what is the question says that at t minute past 2 p.m., the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4. That means t minute past 2 p.m. that means 2 p.m. plus t square plus 4 would have been 3 p.m. But it is the minute hand is showing it is 3 minutes less than t square minus 4. That means the equation goes like this: 2 p.m. plus t square by 4 minus 3 equals to 3 p.m. Or we can write t plus t square by 4 minus 3 equals to 3 p.m. minus 2 p.m. which is nothing but 60 minutes. So on simplifying, on taking 4 as LCM in the left hand side, it is 40 plus t square minus 2 whole divided by 4 equals to 60. Or you can write it as 40 plus t square minus 12 equals to 240. That means we are multiplying 4 on the right hand side or taking 240 on the other side of the left hand side of equal to sign, we get t square plus 4t minus 252 equals to 0. Now doing the middle term factorization, we can write it as t plus 18 whole into t plus t minus 14 equals to 0. That means t equals to either minus 18 or 14. But time cannot be negative, so minus 18 cannot be considered. Hence, the record value of t is 14 is the answer. While boarding the plane, few passengers are slipped from the stair and got hurt. The pilot took the passenger in the emergency clinic for treatment, due to which the plane got delayed by half an hour. To reach the destination in time, 1500 km away, the speed of the plane was increased by 250 km per hour than the usual speed. Find the usual speed of the plane. Let the original speed, or we can say the usual speed of the plane is x km per hour. The destination is 1500 km. So the time taken by the plane to reach 1500 km at x km per hour is 1500 by x hour. But as per the question, the speed of the plane was increased by 250 km per hour. That means the new speed of the plane is x plus 250 km per hour, and the time taken by the plane to reach 1500 km is nothing but 1500 whole divided by x plus 250 hour. Now it says that already the plane got delayed by half an hour, and in order to make up that half an hour, in order to fill the gap of half an hour, the speed of the plane was increased by 250 km per hour. That means 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 equals to 30 by 60. Why 30 by 60? Because we have expressed it the time in terms of hours. So it is 30 minutes. 30 by 60 is 1.5 hour. Sorry, half hour. 1 by 2 hour. So we can take 1500 common, and on taking the LCM x into x plus 250, when numerator we are getting x plus 250 minus x whole divided by x into x plus 250 equals to 1 by 2. Here plus x and minus x in the numerator gets cancelled, and on doing the cross multiplication, what we get? 1500 into 250 into 2 equal to x into x plus 250, or we can write it as x square plus 250x minus 75,000 equals to 0. Means x into x square, x into x is x square, x into 250 is 250x, and this 1500 into 250 into 2 is 75,000. we have taken this constant to the other side of the equal to sign. On doing the middle term factorization, we can write it as x plus 1000 whole into x minus 750 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 1000 or 750. But the speed of any plane cannot be negative. That means minus 1000 cannot be considered. So the original speed of the plane is 750 km per hour. Is the answer. Three consecutive natural numbers are such that the square of the middle number exceeds the difference of the square of other two numbers by 60. Find the numbers. Let the three consecutive natural numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now, as per the question, the square of the middle number exceeds the difference of the square of other two numbers by 60. That means x plus 1 whole square equals to 60 plus x plus 2 whole square minus x square. Now go for expanding the square factor. It is in the left hand side we get x square plus 1 plus 2x, and in the right hand side we get 60 plus x square plus 4 plus 4x minus x square. Now here x square and x square gets cancelled, and 60 plus 4, it becomes 64 plus 4x in the right hand side. So we get x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 64 plus 4x. Taking all the factors to one side of the equal to sign, we get x square minus 2x minus 63 equals to 0. On doing middle term factorization, we get x minus 9 whole into x plus 7 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 7 or 9. But x minus 7 do not satisfy the given condition, as it is not a natural number. Minus 7 is not a natural number. It is an integer. It is already given three consecutive natural numbers. That means the actual value of x is 9. So if we take x equals to 9, three consecutive natural numbers are 9, 10 and 11, and it satisfies the given condition. Hence, the required numbers are 9, 10 and 11 is the answer. Find the value of x if 1 by a plus b plus x equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. So the given equation is 1 by a plus b plus x equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x, or it can be written as, on the other, interchanging the factors, it is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x equals to 1 by a plus b plus 1 by a plus b plus x, or we can write it as 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x. Or in the left hand side, taking ab as the LCM, it is a plus b whole into ab, and in the left hand side the LCM is x into a plus b plus x. We are getting x minus a minus b minus x. So in the numerator, in the right hand side, in the numerator, plus x and minus x gets cancelled, or you can write it as a plus b whole into ab equals to minus of a plus b by x into a plus b plus x. Now again, in both left hand side and right hand side, a plus b gets cancelled, or we can write it as 1 by ab equals to minus 1 by x into a plus b plus x, or you can write it as x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab equals to 0. X into x is x square, x into a plus b is x into a plus b, and we have interchanged this one. ab comes to the right hand side of the equal to sign is minus ab. When you take it to the left hand side, it is plus ab. Or further expansion, we can write it as x plus a whole into x plus b equals to 0. That means x equals to minus a or minus b. Hence, the value of x is minus a or minus b is the answer. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream is x km per hour. So the upstream speed of the boat is 18 minus x km per hour, and downstream speed of the boat is 18 plus x km per hour. Now, according to the question, we have 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x equals to 1. Because as per the question, It takes 1 hour more to go to 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. 24 by 18 minus 6 is the time taken by the boat to go upstream, and 24 by 18 plus 6 is the time taken by the boat to go to the downstream. That means to reach the same spot. And the time taken in both the cases is, in the upstream cases, the boat is taking just 1 hour more than the downstream. So it is 24 by 18 minus 6 minus 24 by 18 plus 6 equals to 1. Or we can take 24 common. It is, if we take 18 plus 6 into 18 minus 6 as LCM, the numerator will get 18 plus 6 minus 18 plus 6 by 18 plus 18 minus 6 into 18 plus 6 equals to 1. Here 18 plus 18 and minus 18 gets cancelled, or we get 24 into 2x equals to 324 minus x square, because in the numerator it is a minus b into a plus b. So 18 square is 324 minus x square, and this we have multiplied with 1. For taking all the factors in one side of the equal to sign, it is x square minus x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. We know the root of the equation can be given as x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, or putting the values, it is nothing but x equals to minus 48 plus minus 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 324 by 2 into 1, or it is nothing but minus 48 plus minus 60 by 2. Now taking the positive sign of x, it is 48, x equals to minus 48 plus 60 whole divided by 2, which is nothing but 6 km per hour. Thus the speed of the stream is 6 km per hour is the answer. A piece of cloth cost rupees 200 if the cloth was 5 meter longer, and each meter of cloth cost rupees 2 less, then the cost of the piece would have remained unchanged. How long is the piece, and what is the original rate per meter? Let the length of the piece of the cloth is x meter, so the rate per meter is 200 plus x. Now the new length of the cloth is x plus 5 meter, so the new rate per meter is 200 by x plus 5. But it says if the cost would have been rupees 2 less, then the cost of the piece would have remained unchanged. That means, according to the question, 200 by x plus 5 equals to 200 by x minus 2. Or taking 200, the variable factor, to one side of the equal to sign, it is 200 by x plus 5 minus 200 by x equals to minus 2. Or taking 200 common, we can write it as x minus 5 whole divided by x into x plus 5 equals to minus 2. In the numerator, plus 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled, or you can write it as 200 into minus 6 is minus 2 into x square plus 5x. Or taking all the factors in one side of the equal to, we get 2x square plus 10x minus 1000 equals to 0, or x square plus 5x minus 500 equals to 0. This can be, by doing middle term factorization, we get it is x minus 20 whole into x plus 25 equals to 0, or x equals to 20 or minus 25. Hence the length of the cloth is 20 meter is the answer. A factory kept increasing its output by the same percentage every year. Find the percentage if it is known that the output doubles in the last 2 years. Let the initial production, that means 2 years ago, is P, and the rate of increase in production every year is X percentage. So the production at the end of the first year is P plus Px by 100. That means we have taken the X percentage of P. So it is nothing but P whole into 1 plus X by 100. Now production at the end of the second year is P into 1 plus X by 100 plus Px by 100 whole into 1 plus X by 100. This is the production at the end of the first year. This is the percentage increase of the production of the second year. That means first year end. So we can write it as P whole into 1 plus X by 100 into 1 plus X by 100, or it is P whole into 1 plus X by 100 to the power 2. Now, since the production doubles in the last 2 years, we have p whole into 1 plus x by 100 to the power 2 equals to 2p. Or in cancelling p on both the sides, we can write it as 1 plus x by 100 whole square equals to 2. Or on simplifying, we can write it as 100 plus x whole square equals to 2 into 100 square, or x square plus 200x plus 10,000 minus 20,000 equals to 0. 1 plus 200 plus 10,000 is nothing but expansion of x 100 plus x whole square, and this one is 20,000. We have taken it to the other side of the equal to sign, or it is x square plus 200 minus 10,000 equals to 0. Now, finding the roots, we have x equals to minus b plus minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By putting the values of a, b and c, we get x equals to minus 200 plus minus 200 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 10,000 by 2 into 1, or it is minus 200 plus minus square root of 80,000 whole divided by 2. Now, taking the positive value of x, we have x equals to 41.4%. That means the record percentage is 41.4%. Friends, here is a few questions, but this much questions is not enough. Friends, you need to practice more and more such questions. And in case you come across some difficult questions, feel free to share a question with me. It will be a pleasure for me if I can help you out in solving your doubts, in solving your questions. So this much for today's class. Thank you.